Hello my friends, welcome back here to the channel. For today I have this project that is a tube cut by that other tubes here. I will show you how to create this project using components. If you like this channel, you can subscribe here to the channel to receive other videos that I am creating here to teach you some techniques that I use here on the Fusion 360. And you can download here in the first link of the description my book with all these drawings and others that you can design and learn other techniques. Let's start this project. Create a new design. Click here, new component, component 1. Here on the front plane, start to create the profile. Here, another one. Another one here. Click and finalize. Apply some measurements. And this is tangent, tangent, and tangent. Apply some dimensions that this is 500 millimeters. The radius will be 80 millimeters. Apply here a constraint of equal here, here, that line with that line, that radius with that radius, and that with that. Okay, finish the sketch. Create here on this plane a rectangle by the center with 50 millimeters side with another 50 millimeter side. Click here on that constraint and delete. You need to change that one and constrain that vertically. Now we have our profile in that way, and create here an offset, an inside offset with 2 millimeters, and finish the sketch. Create here a sweep, select our profile, our path will be that, and finishing the sketch. Create here another sketch on that top plane, the same rectangle by the center. In this case will be 46 with 46 millimeters. Delete here the horizontal constraint, the distance with that and that will be 80 millimeters. Create another constraint that will be on the horizontal, and that point will be horizontal. Now we have our profile here and here. We need to create a pattern. Create here with a rectangular pattern. Select all that is square. We need to create 3. Change to spacing 3 with minus 160 millimeters. Quantity 3 here. Finish the sketch. Now we can select that 3 profiles. This body we can hide that for a moment. Select these 3 sketch, unhide the component, change it to symmetric, whole, distance will be all, and remove all this material. The first step is done. Now we can return here to the main project, hide the component, and start to create our second component here. New component, component 2, click OK. Here we can create our component that will be a square by the center, the same process, 46 to 46 millimeter. We need to delete this constraint and create that on the vertical. Apply an offset with -2 millimeters inside. Finish the sketch. Click here on the extrude tool. Select that point. Change it to two sides. One side will be 100 millimeters, 600 millimeters. Here on the main project, we can click Shift N to create random colors to be easier to identify the project. Now we can move this component that will be component, select this. Here to translate, pick direction. We can open here the first sketch, unhide this first sketch. Pick direction, select this edge, and we can move here 80 millimeters. Now you can create here a regular pattern. To click here on the first component and create another movement that will be spacing with -160 millimeters. Now we have our grid. This profile can be hide this component, that component, or that component, and show it that fits perfectly. I hope you liked this project. Thank you so much. If you want to subscribe here to the channel to receive more projects like that, I will create new videos to the channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.